Hello, beautiful ladies. I installed these beautiful lock extensions. They were 21 inches long and 0.6 centimeters, which is a little bit bigger than a pencil size, but not that much bigger. So I installed this lock extension with two different styles. I had to see which one the client would like. This first one is a 2-strand twist. That's the basic style that everybody goes to, but it's actually a 2 style in one because when you take those twists out, then you have wavy, curly locks. Style number 2 is the barrel twist with the 2 rope buns. Please comment below and let me know which style that you would prefer. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more stuff.